Happy day 19.
19th day of our wine adventure here. It's getting close.
Very close.
Very close.
Yeah. I'm curious to see what the last, 19, 20, 21, 22.
We have 5 days left.
Wow.
Five wines left.
That went by fast.
It did. I mean, and it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of different varieties.
Different wines we wouldn't have tried normally.
Yeah,
so.
never. Carmenere,
I know.
Gruner,
Gruner, Veltliner.
So just different ones that, would have never even been on my radar if we didn't have this box, but just kind of a cool thing. Do you want to get into it? What do you think it is today? Red, white? Yesterday was a Pinot Grigio, so I think today's red.
Red?
I think we're going to probably finish strong white, red. We already had our mix, but we'll see. I don't know, they threw a couple curveballs here, so we'll see.
So you say red?
Yeah, red.
I say red.
So I will let you do the honors and open the box. Do you want to just do it from here and we'll see where we're at?
Yeah, sounds good.
I'll tilt it over so everybody can see it.
I thought the blindfolded was fun, but
yeah.
I think we're going to go back to just normal.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll blindfold the last 4 days or 3 days or something as a finale. Maybe we'll do it like that just to see. That'll be fun.
Cool.
So, day 19.
Where is it?
I don't know. I see it. It's hard to see when it's like eye level.
Red. Ooh, okay.
What
it's
is
a
it?
Malbec.
Oh.
I haven't had a Malbec yet.
From Argentina.
Nice. So we're getting other South American wines now.
Yeah. So now, how many days in a row did we say it's going to be a red from South America, red from Chile, red from here, and now we haven't guessed it, and now that's a pretty looking bottle.
Cool bottle,
yeah. Definitely.
Mendoza Nights.
All right. So Mendoza Nights Malbec, Argentina, which is kind of cool. I'm excited to try this.
We also don't typically go for a Malbec either. I feel like we never walk into a store and look for a Malbec when we're looking for a wine. So
I actually don't know if I've ever had a Malbec.
Really?
Yeah. I
No,
don't.
I
Well, maybe I have. Maybe,
But that's not something we typically buy, so it's gonna be interesting.
I don't know if I've actually ever appreciated a Malbec for being a Malbec.
There
so
you go.
also a grape that was hit by the
really
phyllox whatever. That there's a story of Malbec being wiped out in Europe and getting brought to South America and restarting there, and that's where Malbecs are.
Interesting.
I'm gonna open this wine and then we'll taste it. Right, we have our Malbec. Ooh.
I feel like this is gonna be fruit bomb.
It is.
Yeah.
Already know.
Jammy.
I already know. You can smell it. I will pour a little for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, having the cork open for a minute. Did smell pretty fruity.
It smells good. Smells really good.
Ooh, yeah, I'm not really getting what I thought I was gonna get from there. It actually doesn't smell
Doesn't smell chocolatey or too fruity.
No.
It smells good. It smells well balanced. It smells fruit forward.
I was gonna say there's fruit, but it's a little bit of spice in there as well.
Yeah.
Some spiciness. I'm really hoping to like this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, I'm getting leather, maybe tobacco.
I like that.
Wow.
It's good.
Yeah. The finish is different. What are you picking up on the end? It's something's pronounced at the very end.
It's acidic. Not acidic, tart. Tartness.
Wow.
It's tart. It tastes like tart.
Like a cherry tart.
Tart cherry, yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
We say that all the time?
No.
Cherry?
No, we don't. Usually we say there's a little bit of cherry, but this has you eat a cherry that makes your mouth pucker a little bit.
Yeah, tart cherry. Yeah.
Tart cherry. Whereas other cherries are sweet, they're whatever. I really actually like the flavor of this wine.
Really good.
Huh.
You taste any earthiness or?
No.
No,
I
just
I smell a little spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
I smell like tobacco or something.
Right. Like leather, tobacco.
Leather, tobacco, yeah. That type of.
But not like earth.
No.
On the back, yeah, it's like leather, tobacco, maybe like smoke, like a
suede.
Something like that.
Should I read the back?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right. This Argentine Malbec reveals an intense nose characterized by notes of ripe black fruits, warm spices, and subtle woodiness. Floral and herbal undertones emerge, evolving into hints of tobacco. On the palate, it's full and rounded, offering rich flavors of plums and black fruit, complemented by a touch of spice and red pepper.
Okay.
So well, pretty spot on with
that. That was pretty good, yeah.
So
also,
a little bit of spice, a little bit of tobacco.
I also feel like it says plum, and I guess I should like know my fruits better. Plums are tart.
A little bit, yeah.
So
maybe like an underripe plum.
Right, where like there's tartness to it, where like
the middle by the pit is like still a little.
Yeah, but it like kind of like sucks your mouth in, like you're. It's like it's tart cherry, tart plum.
Yeah.
I really like that we were able to pick up the tobacco in here, though. It's interesting. Huh.
I like it better as it sits.
Yeah.
All right. So on the Wine Advent Calendar website, it says in the mid 19th century, Malbec found its ideal home in the arid climate and unique soils of Mendoza. Initially used for blending, it wasn't until the late 20th century that Malbec began to shine as a standalone varietal. The 1990s marked a renaissance for Argentine?
Yeah. Argentina, but Argentinian probably.
It says Argentine.
Oh, okay.
T-I-N-E.
Oh,
The 1990s marked a renaissance for Argentine Malbec, driven by a renewed focus on quality and the region's optimal growing conditions. This resurgence catapulted Malbec to an international fame, with Mendoza becoming synonymous with its robust and flavorful wine. Today, Malbec is celebrated as Argentina's flagship grape, attracting wine enthusiasts from around the world to explore its rich history and exceptional wines.
Wow. Okay.
Grilled meats, barbecue, roasted vegetables, spicy dishes, and dark chocolate.
Like I was thinking about like this with a barbecue, like ribs or something like that. That's like lights out. Barbecue ribs and Malbec. I'm okay with that. Is it opening up more?
Oh, it's really good now. Softer, right? Softer. It tastes like vanilla, a little vanilla in there. I wonder if it's aged in oak at all. It's probably what you're getting.
Wow. Well, it said woody undertones, so maybe, probably. See a lot of that with that. That's really good. One
thing about the wines is I wish, like by Googling them, you could find a little bit more about the wine. So I don't know if these wines are just for this Wine Advent Calendar and they're not sold anywhere else, but when you like look them up, they're not online.
Yeah, you can't find them.
So, other than the information on the actual Wine Advent Calendar website. So, but I would buy this again. It's good.
Me too.
I kind of didn't think I would like a Malbec.
Yeah, me either. Not that I didn't think I would like it,
but
I don't think that this was my first choice. I'm very impressed, actually. If all Malbecs taste like this, I'd be really drawn towards a Malbec, which would make me like want to drink my favorite bottle ever. That is a Malbec. All right.
A special one waiting for you.
I do have a special one waiting for me.
Do you want to show them?
Maybe. If you're interested in seeing what my bottle of Malbec looks like, it's the prettiest bottle of wine I've ever seen. It's like I don't even want to open it because I love the bottle so much.
I bought it for
Christmas last year.
Yeah. And it just sits in the wine cooler. We don't want to touch it. We don't want to open it.
Yeah, it's just cellared right now.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to start collecting each year.
Oh yeah?
I'm going to try.
Oh. Yeah. You can tell me that.
No. If I don't get it for
top secret.
If I don't get it for Christmas this year, I will be buying 2022 because that's the year they have available right now.
So what do we have? 21?
Yeah, I have 21 right now, just cellared, and I'm gonna probably cellar 22 if I don't get it for Christmas, and then I'll keep on going.
But then you're not gonna want to ever drink it.
I know.
So
It's my only. I'll show the bottle of wine tomorrow. Anybody that wants to see the
really
bottle of
pretty.
wine, give me a thumbs up or put a comment in the comments below, and I will show you the bottle of wine on
It's a
day
cool
20.
label, and I feel like a lot of times when like labels are nice, maybe the wine's not great, but it's
This
rated
is
really
like,
well.
Yeah, this is like one of the top rated Malbecs
Yeah.
in the world. So,
Yeah.
all right, I might actually really enjoy it. So, all right.
All right.
One, two, three.
Oh, wow. That's your highest rating?
This is the highest rated wine that I've drank out of this box, and I love Italian wine.
Wow.
This wine has like really kind of blown me away. I didn't think I would like Malbec this much, and this is so smooth and has such a nice flavor to it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is like I said, if every Malbec tastes like this, I think I would really enjoy Malbec a lot more than I would give credit to it. So
Really good.
the highest rating that I've given a wine so far.
Yeah.
That's a high, like, this has kind of blown my mind a little bit, I think. It makes me maybe want to like dive into like the world of Malbec.
Okay. Well, we will be finishing this bottle.
Yes. Thanks for watching day 19. We will see everybody back here for day 20.
Day 20.
Predictions. 4 days left.
I say a red tomorrow.
Red.
Yeah. You think it's gonna go back to white probably?
Maybe it's gonna be like the last 4 days are just champagne. Champagne.
No.
Champagne.
I think they should throw in one champagne on this last week here.
Something bubbly. Let's do a prosecco. Tomorrow prosecco.
Prosecco or champagne.
Or champagne. Something with bubbles. Hopefully no Moscato. I don't like sweet, but something with bubbles. So,
Yeah. I say a red from California.
Really?
Yeah.
I say prosecco from France. No, Italy. Just kidding. Prosecco. Let's do prosecco.
Okay.
So, cheers.
Cheers.
See everybody tomorrow.
I'm out of wine, so we know we liked it.